Hi, Nathan and Gab. Good morning, Franco. I'm sorry, my nails are so dirty. I promised to clean them up after this class. Too much gardening. Hi, Huey and Venice. Let's do our fingers warming up. Hello, dancing fingers. Hi there, Emily. Hi, Eddie. Hi, Maya and Lila. Good morning, CJ and Luke. Hi there, Estelle. And Cab from Iloilo is here. Hi everyone, says Sophia and Sarin and Samantha. E-boy Ram from Japan is here. Hi Aniel. Aniel is saying hello to all her classmates. Again, I'm really sorry. My nails are so dirty. I came from gardening. I'm going to clean them up after this class, okay? I promise. I'm so ashamed. Hello, Albert. Are you going to draw with us today? Gabby and Raphael are here. Gabby and Raphael, let's do our fingers warm up for drawing. Good morning, Agay, LJ and Olive. Hello, Carla. Hello, Alon and Ria. Hello, Grace and Angelia. And Drake says, good morning, I'm ready. Do your warm-up exercises for drawing. Hello, Eliana, Renzo and Red. And Pepper is here. Oh, Pepper, I miss you. Sophia and Syra from Coronadal City are here, getting ready and warming up. Zach and Zilla from Antipolo is here as well. Good morning, Kate and Kiel, Maya, Lauren, and Ashley. Hello, C and Rain. Hello to your mom. Hi there, Mika, Renzo and Lay, Chloe and Jerica, all the way in New York. Would you like to start? Would you like to start? I don't hear you. Would you like to start? Are our fingers warmed up now? Our fingers are warmed up and pretty dirty. Oh my goodness. Hello, Talavita of Parañaque and Sofia Pateros. Hi there, everyone. Good morning. Everyone say good morning to your classmates. Like Gabby, Gabby's fourth time. And Arkin from Santa Rosa Laguna is here. And Carlo is here. Hey, Carlo, how are you doing? Gabriel and Matt are here from California. I think it's about time to start. Yes, good morning, Liza. Let's start our warm-up drawing. And as usual, people are gonna wonder, what are we drawing, Teacher Robert? What are we drawing this time? Everyone's gonna go like a guessing game again. Hello, Angel. Angel is greeting all her classmates. And Ava is saying good morning as well. Hello, Anna. And AG from the People's Republic of Maginhawa is here. Hello, Jasmine Therese. And Lily as well. And Georgina. And Russell Rise watching. Russell, don't just watch. Start drawing. Hey, Kokoy and Nat Nat of Angeles City. Hello, Yaz. I finally was able to greet you. You won't get angry at me anymore. Start drawing, guys. What are we drawing? Good morning from Divine and Is from Lukban. Nat, EJ, and Ikoy from Bulacan. Good morning, Rocco. Rocco was with me all the way from the start. I'd like to thank Rocco for being here. Thank you for being so loyal as a student. Hi, Smile. And Aishiana from Pasig. Hello there. Rafi in Taytay. And Ricardo Eric Gabat Cruz is watching. But please don't watch. Also draw. And Twinkle is here. And Mela de Luna is here. And Wowie says, I'm done drawing. I'm sure Cal is done drawing as well because Cal is a very good drawer. He draws pretty fast and draws very well. Not just fast, but very well. Ate Casey is here from Muntinlupa City. And Pusong Bughaw Gonzalez all the way from Luxembourg is saying, hello. Hi, Dwayne and Athena in Zabarte. Rhoda says, my internet isn't working very well. Hello, Mommy Angeli. And Niran from Baguio. And Sean Gabriel from Ilocos Norte. Hello, Joaquin and Ella. You've been doing really good. I see your work and your guys are doing fantastic. And not only your work, I heard about the brownies that you baked. That's amazing. Ziana's here from Fairview. Maayong buntag, says Dwayne. Maayong buntag means good morning. I think that's Visayan. Hello to Ronel. Ronel is the baby of Sheng. And Rafi of New Jersey is saying, hello everyone. Elijah is really smart. And Charisse is watching. Charisse, don't just watch, draw. Enrique Jacob of Cainta is here. Hannah and Shanna thinks we're drawing a baby kangaroo. Hello from Alonzo in Taguig. Beatrice is saying there's something wrong with the internet. Isn't there always something wrong with the internet? Hello, Tita B. And Izzy of San Juan and Gianna from Cabuyao. Liam and Renz are watching. Yippee! And even Catalina from Pateros is watching. And Cassie from Batasan is watching. My goodness, so many people are watching. But the question is, are you drawing? And what are we drawing? Naomi is right. Sam is right. Ripley is right. We're drawing a tarsier. Have you seen a tarsier, guys? Have you seen a tarsier? If you've seen a tarsier, where did you see a tarsier? Hello, China and Ava, Elise and Pio. Hello, everybody. All the way from Binangonan. Hello, Kiz. And Daddy Edward from Andy. And Nicole from Project 8. Whoopie-doo! We're drawing a tarsier. Do you know the tarsier, I think, has really long fingers. I'm not sure how many fingers the tarsier has. But whatever. It's just a cartoon, so it's fine. Hello, Ryle Navarro, Ridge Navarro, Kyle Navarro. What? Hello, Sorry from Kubo. Hello, Kai and Bohol. Hi, Richie. I hope you're doing well. And Bob and Addict. I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe and keeping healthy. I'm so happy to hear from all of you. That means you're doing well and healthy, which is very good. Hello, Mateo. And Richie from Trece Martires Cavite is saying hello again. And Hunter says, I've seen a tarsier in Bohol. That's absolutely right. They live in Bohol. Well, Renalyn says, I saw one in Palawan. Hello, Josia and Beulah from Lucena. Kang says, what chubby cheeks? That tarsier has chubby cheeks. Of course it's got chubby cheeks. It looks like he's performing from Broadway. This tarsier has like a vibe, a Broadway vibe. Don't you agree? He's like, ta-da! It's my turn to be drawn, ta-da! Wants to be in Broadway. Wow. Hello, Camellia, who is 3 years old. Sam says, I ate yogurt for 10 minutes, ran upstairs to catch this class. I hope it's worth it. Gracie and Zeki saw a tarsier in Bohol. And Zachary from Taguig says, hi. And Dia Gutierrez from Prado Farm says hello to everyone. Caleb is staying up just to watch and hopefully draw with us. How are you guys drawing? Am I drawing too fast? Again. Are we drawing too fast? Drawing the Broadway tarsier. Not too fast, says Yen. Hello, Andy and Inigo. Hello there and good morning, everybody. Hello, Chloe and Riley. Haley says, they live in trees, don't they? I believe so. Sab from Marikina says, hi! And Pio and Paco says, hello! Anika is eating while drawing. Yes, good job. And Mark from Pampanga says, I almost forgot to eat breakfast. Daisy says, my drawing looks bad. What do we say to Daisy? No such thing. No such thing as a bad drawing. If all is good, don't worry about it. How are you doing? Is Teacher Robert drawing too fast? Is Teacher Robert drawing too fast? Daphne is here. And Ripley says, that's a happy tarsier. Elijah from Pasig is here. And Luan Emmanuel is here saying hello. Luis Isabel says, my drawing is bad. And what do we say to Isabel? No such thing. All is good. Nothing to worry about. Let's just have fun and don't worry about having bad drawings because there's no such thing. Just having fun, putting a hat on this showbiz Broadway tarsier. I'm drawing a hat. Hello, Ewan from Bulacan. Please don't draw too fast. And Maya says, can we give him a hat? Too late, we already gave him a hat. Shaylee from Cavite is saying hello. Ellie and Lori Daklan from Mandaluyong is saying hello. Migs of Marikina says, that's a cute tarsier. Thank you very much. Ella says, hello, Pepper. Addie says, I love tarsiers. Hello, Jeanette. And Zaya says, there's no such thing as a bad drawing. Very wise of you, Zaya. Very smart. Keep up that good attitude. It's really important. I'm putting some stripes on his hat. Make it really fancy. Pepper lives in Mandaluyong. And Kaylee Alayana says hello. And Jared is asking, is this a warm-up? And the answer is yes, it's a warm-up. While we says, that's a nice hat. Keisha says, hello, classmates. Hello, Teacher Robert. And Aina of Marikina says, she says, that's a good drawing. Thank you very much for your encouraging words. Van says, that tarsier looks adorable. Rochelle says, my tarsier looks a bit old, and that's completely fine. Hello, Claude from Marikina. And Bembol says, it's strangely cute. Again? I love strangely cute things. What am I drawing here? A friend of the tarsier? Hello, everyone, says Aviel. Okay, Dwayne is telling everyone, do you know that tarsiers are nocturnal? And then the next question is, do you know what nocturnal is? Can someone answer that question for us? Thank you very much for enlightening us. Tarsiers are nocturnal. So can please someone tell us, what is nocturnal? I'll give you a bit of a... I'll draw something here to help you find out what nocturnal is. Does that enlighten what being nocturnal is? Hello, Beatrice and Emmanuel and Conrad and River and Rain. Zephyr says, let's draw a bow tie. Of course, let's draw a bow tie. If he's going to Broadway, he's gotta have a bow tie. No such thing as an actor without a bow tie. There you go. Yes, nocturnal is being awake at night and sleeping during the day. Very good. Excellent, Pablo. Thank you very much, Dwayne and Yanni. They all know what nocturnal means. Good job. Hi, Daddy. And since we've got a moon over here, we might as well give him a face. Hello, AA and AZ of Pasig. Hi, Dre and Martha. How are you guys drawing? Am I drawing too fast? And Haley says, no wonder their eyes are so big. That makes sense, actually. They have to see at night. Eileen says, my tarsier is super fat. Hello, Elijah Josh. Can you put shoes on the tarsier? I don't think we can find shoes that can fit in this tarsier's feet. Hello, Amanda and Joseph and Kaz. Leia is asking, can I put hair? Yes, you may put hair. In fact, that's really a good idea. And so I'm going to draw where a tarsier lives. It's a very good idea that we leave tarsiers alone because they're quite shy and they get easily stressed when humans like touch them and stuff. I don't think that's a very good idea. And so I'm drawing where he lives. And as usual, Teacher Robert is drawing too fast again. I'm going to stop. Pepper says, this tarsier was born to entertain. Wow. From Bohol to Broadway. Yes. His hands are so long, says Ramon, which I think is right. The hands of tarsiers are quite long. And again, if you do get the chance to see a tarsier, just watch or look from afar. Make sure you don't stress them out. They're very small in the first place, so it would be a very good idea to keep a distance and just watch and enjoy how they look and not stress them out. They're very shy, just like Teacher Robert, actually. So don't stress Teacher Robert out as well. So we're drawing the branches of the tree where the tarsier lives. And Grace is fooling me. She's saying, please sing, so that I can make a fool of myself again. But she doesn't have to tell me. I can do that just by myself. Can we put a bird on the tree? That's a good idea. Cassie, Caitlin, Kara is here. Are tarsiers rare? Yeah, I think so. That's because, Sometimes we take over their habitat, which is a problem. So we really have to take care of tarsiers. Don't stress them out. Make sure they've got habitats to live in. There you go, putting leaves and drawing too fast again. Sorry about that. Hello, Ginger. Kim says tarsiers are endangered, which means we really have to take extra care to make sure they don't die out on us. Why are the branches hairy? I have no idea. It must be something about their species. Maybe they're related to the bear cat that we drew yesterday. Hello, Cacola, Micaela, Cabrera, and Mercurio, Bonavete, Mia. Those are long names. Maxine is asking, what are we going to do with the scissors and glue? Lucho is asking, do they eat insects at night? I don't know. Sorry, Joyce, I'm drawing too fast. Raziel and Amber are listening. And Lawrence is saying that their tarsiers are 16 centimeters long. I didn't know that. Thank you very much. Tarek says, God, they've got a weird looking tarsier. That's great. Weird is good. Ava says, can we do the lettering? And of course we can do that. Again, this is the Philippine tarsier, which means it's endemic. Can only be found in the Philippines. Fancy lettering again. Can you start writing that, please? Hello, Mika, Erin. And Pepper says, they eat bugs at night. Tarsius secreta. I couldn't say that. That's supposed to be the scientific name. Pat says, can we add musical notes? Yes, of course, because it's a Broadway tarsier. Makes it a really special tarsier, doesn't it? A Philippine. Too fast, too fast. I can hear you guys. Hello, Isabel from Bulacan. And Ray. And Theo. And the Martelino sisters. Hello, Davin. Hello, Chanel, Kristen, Amia, Lorca, Mika, Gaz, Sophia, Zalia, Lim, Salanda, Anan, Rian, Audrey, Chloe, Rivera. Hello, Jet. Jasmine, Gabrielle. Hello there. Freedom Reese, given from La Trinidad. Let's draw a star, says Mia. Let's put Philippine tarsier. Is that the name or is it just a tarsier? I'm not sure. As usual, Teacher Robert isn't sure of what he's doing. Nothing different about that. Everybody knows. There goes Teacher Robert again. Not fact-checking. You can fact-check for me. Alright? That's your job. Sab says, I love lettering. That's great. That's great. That's a really good skill to learn, lettering. Carrie says, give him a microphone. Oh, yes. Oh, no. Once there's a microphone, you know what happens when there's a microphone. Someone will start singing. And we know that's not a good thing. because a microphone means la 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 la. Oh dear. Maxine says, is this going to be every day? Do I have to listen to all this singing every day? This is not a good idea. I don't think this is healthy for me. La la la. Ate Bernadette, maybe you can do the singing for me. Hello, Emma from Japan. Hello, Gwen from Dasmariñas. Yes, I do need to be careful for my spelling. You know what? The truth is, I'm really nervous. And when you're nervous, your spelling goes wrong. And your singing goes way wrong. Hello, Chloe, Kalel, and Johan from St. Martin, Montessori. And Carlito Sicta is a scientific name? I have no idea. Hello, Zoe. And the Martellino sisters are asking, can the tarsier be friends with a butterfly? I think they already are friends. Can you name your tarsier and your butterfly? You can put your name. Why is it always singing? I don't know, because it wants to be in Broadway. It wants to be the center of attention. It was born to perform. Whoa, we do. Some tarsiers are that way. I don't know of anyone, but this one is. Hello, Derek and Raph, Nate, and Sam. Good morning, Isaiah and Calix. They're late and is asking if I can slow down, please. Hello, Gwen. And leaves on the other side. Yes, let's put leaves on the other side. How are you guys doing? Are you catching up? Is Robert drawing too fast? Is Teacher Robert drawing too fast? You know what? The reason why nobody has seen this Broadway tarsier is because obviously he performs only at night while everyone's asleep. That's just a story, okay? Don't quote me on that. Stars and... Hello, cat. Hello, Zoe. Zoe says, hello, classmates. Hi there. Hello, Pablo. And Maya. How are your drawings? Are you done? Are you doing okay? Hello, Kahil from Rosario, Cavite. Hello, Keisha. And MJ and Margot from Calamba. And Tori named his tarsier Zaira. Good morning, everyone. Are we finished? Are we finished with a warm-up? Can we start our next project? Are you ready? Liana is asking, can we keep tarsiers as a pet? And what is our answer? That's a big no. It's good to just watch a tarsier, but please don't keep them as pets. That's not a good idea. Right? Okay. You can color this tarsier and again post it on social media so that I can take a look at it. But we're good for now, right? That's a good warm-up for now. Let's take a look at what we did yesterday. What did we do yesterday? We did a Palawan bear cat. And I saw your drawings. I saw that some people drew a radio with their Palawan bear cat dancing like in a disco. And I'm not sure if there are even any discos nowadays. That's really strange that some of you know what a disco is. But I must say your drawings were really, really good. Congratulations. And I'm really impressed with your work. And what else did we do? Oh my goodness. We finished our little book on household chores, which was absolutely fantastic. I mean, your work was fantastic. Mine was a little iffy with a bad spelling. This is our cover, which says, Household Chores I Can Do, by Teacher Robert, the teacher who spells not very well. And the first spread is about making the bed. Did you make your bed this morning, guys? Did you? Did you make your bed like this kitty cat did? And the second spread is a fantastic pop-up spread. It's about gardening. Wow! You actually made a pop-up book. This doggy is watering the plants, and his plants is about onion and turmeric and spinach and lemongrass and papaya, just like my garden, which explains the dirty fingers. Good job, doggy. And I saw your work. Fantastic. And then the last spread, which we did yesterday, which was the most amazing part of yesterday, was the spelling. Whose fault was that? Yours truly. I'm quite proud of it, because you guys even had to correct me. You guys are really terrific. We had an egret sweeping up the floor, tidying up the room, which is again a really good household chore to learn while we're here at home. And then when we ended the class, what I did was I listed some other chores that we can learn while we're here at home, like setting the table and cooking and feeding the pet and washing dishes and doing the laundry. And then I got tick boxes. Once you've done it, or once you've learned, you can tick the box. All right, enough of that. Now for today, do you have paper? I can't hear you. Do you have paper? Do you have paper? Get a piece of paper. And later we'll be needing a pair of scissors, please. And some glue. And a pen, please. Do you have those things ready? Have those things ready. Okay, let's start with the paper. I'm going to do this as slow as I can. Watch and follow, please. I'm going to fold it just like this. Fold, 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 fold. You've got to sing with me. Fold, 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 fold. Fold, 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 fold. Fold, 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 fold. Fold, 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 fold. Fold, 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 fold. Fold, 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 fold. Fold, 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 fold. Fold, 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 fold. Fold, 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 fold. And I'm using my kind of dirty fingernail to crease it. Fold, 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 fold. Fold, 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 fold. Fold, 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 fold. Fold, 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 fold. Hello, Elijah. Hello, Christian Auden. Oh my goodness, it's almost 11 and we haven't even started. I am not doing this very well. Another fold over here. If we don't finish, we can continue tomorrow, right guys? I'm not going to worry about it. Teacher Robert doesn't like worrying, but he likes singing, folding, 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 folding. Can the paper be colored? Oh, yes, of course it can be colored. Now we've got this fold over here. Slowly, carefully, slowly, carefully. If you can't do it, you can ask an adult to help you. If you can't do it, you can ask an adult to help you. Cut, cut, cut slowly, carefully, carefully, slowly, carefully, carefully, slowly. We're gonna set this aside. And we have a square. How are you doing? Am I doing it too fast? Am I doing it too fast? Am I doing it too fast? Because we're going to fold it this way again. Fold, 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 folding. Fold, 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 folding. Sing with me, people. Folding, folding, folding. Folding, folding, folding. Is this a short or an A4 sized paper? I'm using a short one, but you may use an A4 as well. Doesn't matter. If you folded it the way I did, you'll end up having a square, and that's the important thing. Not too fast, says Zoe. Sorry. Very good. Folding, fold. So we've got fold here and a fold there. Fold here and a fold there. Gia is doing it on her own. Gabby says, not too fast, please. Okay. All right, Gabby. I don't think we're gonna finish today. We'll have to continue tomorrow then. Siren says, too fast. No problem, you can catch up. I'm sure you can catch up. Is this origami? Yeah, I think so. I think it's origami. Are you ready? Are you ready? We're gonna fold some more. And since we're folding, we're singing again. Folding, folding, folding. Folding, folding, folding. Folding, folding, folding. Folding, folding, folding. Folding, folding. Folding. And the other side. Folding, folding, folding. Folding, folding. Folding, folding, folding. Folding, folding. Folding, folding. Folding, folding. Folding, folding. Folding, folding. And the other side as well. Are you guys catching up? Folding, folding, fold. If you guys are having a hard time, you can always ask help from an adult like your mom or your dad or your brother or sister, uncle, auntie. Folding, 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 folding. How are you doing? Am I doing it too fast? Am I doing it too fast? People are asking, are we doing a fortune teller? You're on to something. but not exactly. Not exactly. Not exactly. Folding, folding. What's next? Okay, turn it over. Turn it over. And guess what? Folding, folding. More folding. Folding, fold. Are you singing with me? Folding, folding. 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 Sorry, Amanda. Amanda says you're doing it too fast. Sorry. Maybe singing would help. If you could sing, maybe you can catch up better. What are we doing? Is it a fortune teller? Not exactly, but pretty close. Folding, folding, folding. Folding, folding. Folding, folding. How are you doing? Folding, folding. Someone says I'm a bit too slow. Some people say I'm too fast. Some people say I'm too slow. I'm so confused. Folding, folding, folding. And so this is what we have. I hope you guys are able to catch up. And more folding. Just a bit more. Folding, folding. Folding, folding. Hello, ilo, ilo. Folding, folding. Folding, folding. Folding, folding. Folding, folding. Too fast, too fast. Sorry. Folding. How are you? How are you? Hello, Olivia and Enrique Jacob. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. People are guessing what we're doing. Are you guys catching up? Hello, everyone. Sophia says, is it a puppet? Okay. If you caught up, this is what we're supposed to have. And yes, some people use it as a fortune teller thingy, but not us. We're gonna make something like a puppet. So we've got this. Do you have this? So if you take a look, it's got a, ouch! Sorry. This is like a mouth, and so, ouch! Sorry. You know what? This puppet needs some eyes. Yes, please. I need eyes. All right. What we're gonna do? Behave. We're gonna put this over here and visualize how big the eyes are. I think they're this big. Yes, please. That big is good. All right. Just a second. Visualize means you're imagining how it'll look. So for this, probably the eye would be around this big. Do you see that? I drew like an oval, and that'll be the size. All right. Given that, so the oval is around this big, see? And I'm going to fold this piece of paper like this. And I expect people to say that I'm doing this too fast again. But basically what we're doing is just making eyes, all right? And I doubt if we're gonna finish today, but I'm going to slowly slowly cut these oval to make eyes for, yes, a puppet. We're gonna make a puppet. And these are the eyes. Sorry. I know I'm doing this too fast, but you know you can catch up where after the class you can catch up as well. So we've got two of these ovals. All right. Too fast? I'm sure it's too fast. That's because it's going to be 11 any minute now. We're going to continue this tomorrow. I'll just finish these eyes before I say goodbye. And I hope to see you tomorrow so that we can finish our puppet. That's one. And then another one. I know I'm doing this too fast. I'm sorry. Sorry. Making two eyes for our puppet. Two eyes. Using a pen and the paper we cut. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? It's already 10:52. 10:52. 10:52. So we've got this paper puppet. Please put some eyes on me before we end today. Please. Please. All right. All right. Hold your horses. Get some glue. Just a little bit of glue. Just a little bit of glue. Little bit of glue. Put some glue over here. Put the eyes. You know what? This is as far as we're gonna go today. And that's good enough for today. We can finish this tomorrow. Right, puppet? Yes. Thank you. At least I can see. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. At least I have eyes for today. Yup. That's enough for today. We can continue this tomorrow, right? Yes, thank you very much. Shall I see you tomorrow, guys? And maybe I can have a nose? May I have maybe an ear or two, please? Well, that's it for today, right? If you behave, we can make a nose and some ears for you, okay? And maybe you can name our puppet, please, so that we can call it. Yes, please, I need a name. Everyone deserves a name, right? Please, give me a name. Please help me get a name. All right, we have plenty of viewers who can help you have a name. I'm sure people are gonna give their name suggestions. We can pick from there. Thank you very much. Thank you. So I guess that's all for today. Yes, that's enough for today. For me to see, that's more than enough. Thank you. All right. So please keep your puppet, and we'll continue doing things for the puppet for tomorrow. And for now, I'm going to say goodbye. And I'm going to say thank you to everyone. Yes, thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming to our art class today. Yes, thank you. And thank you to everyone for staying at home and keeping safe. Yes, keep safe and stay at home. And I hope to see you tomorrow. And I hope to see your tarsier drawing on social media. And some of your adult friends or relatives or mom or dad are going to see me later at 2 p.m. in Instagram Live. Instagram Live? Yep, Instagram Live. I'm going to teach the adults how to draw because adults aren't as great as you, so I need to teach them a thing or two. Okay, that's a good idea. So I'll be there 2 p.m. in Instagram for the adults. So for now, thank you very much again. Thank you. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys. I love you very much. I love you. Don't forget my name. Okay. Bye, guys. See you. Take care.